Hi, I'm Juanita, a customer care specialist at Medical Guardian, and I'm here to walk you through your quick and easy setup process. Your Home Guardian package includes everything you need to install your device so that your system is ready for use in no time. Let's get started. First, select a location for the base station. The base station can be installed anywhere in your home, but we recommend placing it near a window in a central location, such as your living room, family room, or kitchen. Next, plug the power cord that is attached to the back of the base station into an electrical outlet. Make sure that the outlet is not controlled by a light switch so that you don't have to worry about accidentally turning off the base station. Now you're ready to turn on the base station. Once the base station is plugged in, all you have to do is turn it on using the switch on the back. The base station will then say,
"System ready,"
and both the emergency and reset buttons will illuminate. You can change the volume on the base station by using the control buttons under the display screen if the voice is too loud or too soft. The date, time, and temperature will appear on the screen after it's turned on. After a few minutes, you'll want to make sure that your base station is connected to the cellular network by checking for the signal strength bars on the screen.